So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're gonna scroll down and then click on this PC. And now you want to find your C drive. It's gonna have the Windows logo on it. You wanna right click on it and then click on Properties. And now you're gonna click on the Security tab. Now you're gonna click on Advanced. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, in the bottom left, you're gonna click on Change Permissions. And now you're gonna click on Add. And now you're gonna click on Select a Principal. And then once this comes up, in this box right here, you're gonna type in everyone. So you're gonna type in everyone in this box and then click on Check Names, which will now underline everyone, and then click on OK. And now you're gonna tick this box where it says Full Control, which will now tick everything else, and then click on OK. And now you're gonna click on Apply. And now this will come up, you're gonna click on Yes, and then Continue, 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 Continue. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.